This guide shows how to create a world-to-country map zoom effect in Canva using a world map, overlay graphics, and smooth animation. Start by launching Canva and opening a video-sized canvas. Upload a high-resolution world map image and scale it to fill the entire frame, centering it so the zoom feels smooth. Duplicate the page to create the starting and zoom states. On the second page, reposition and zoom the map toward your target country, such as the Philippines, using Canva's zoom controls. Keep coastlines or borders visible so the transition feels like a natural camera push-in rather than a jarring cut. Next, prepare a clean overlay of the target country. On a blank page, search elements for a vector map of that country, map, for example. Resize and style it, then download it as a PNG with a transparent background. This ensures it overlays neatly without a visible box. Upload the PNG to your project, then go to the zoomed map page and place the overlay precisely over the country area. For exact placement, lower the overlay's transparency while aligning, then reset it to full opacity once positioned. Use arrow keys for pixel-perfect adjustment. Now add a heading, type the country name or another title. Match the font and color to your theme, then position it near or over the overlay. To animate, apply a simple text animation like rise to make the text appear smoothly. Next, go to Page Transitions and choose Match Move. Set a longer transition duration so the world-to-country zoom moves smoothly and feels cinematic. On the second page, open Element Timing Settings, have the country overlay appear right after the zoom begins, and time the text to rise a beat later so everything flows in sequence. Preview the full animation. If the zoom seems abrupt, slightly lengthen the transition or adjust timing. Once it looks smooth and cohesive, export the project. You now have a polished map animation that goes from the world view into a focused country zoom.